You're watching this right now, but how long until you check your phone? Maybe 30 seconds? 10? Your brain isn't broken. It's been hijacked, and the scary part? You helped it happen. Let's talk about why you literally cannot focus anymore. Here's what's actually going on. Your brain has about 11 million bits of sensory information hitting it every single second. But your conscious mind? It can only process about 40 bits per second. Think about that. Your brain is constantly deciding what deserves your attention and what doesn't. And right now, it's making terrible decisions. Every time you get a notification, your brain releases a tiny hit of dopamine. That's the same chemical that makes food taste good, that makes falling in love feel amazing. But here's the problem. Your dopamine system wasn't designed for the modern world. It evolved to reward you for finding food, connecting with others, discovering new things, all rare events that required effort. Now, you get that same reward every 3 minutes when your phone buzzes. Studies show the average person checks their phone 96 times per day. That's once every 10 minutes. And each time you do, even if you don't unlock it, you're creating what researchers call an attention residue. Part of your mind stays stuck on that interruption, even after you return to your task. It's like trying to run a race with ankle weights you can't take off. But notifications are just the beginning. Let's talk about what's happening to your actual brain structure. Neuroscientists have found that our constant task switching is literally rewiring our neural pathways. When you jump from email to social media to a work document and back, you're training your brain to seek novelty and avoid depth. You're becoming better at distraction and worse at concentration. And here's the cruel irony. The more distracted you become, the more your brain craves distraction. It's a vicious cycle. Deep focus requires you to push through discomfort. Your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for concentration, has to work hard to ignore all those tempting distractions. But when you give in and check your phone, you get instant relief. Your brain learns that distraction equals comfort, focus equals discomfort. Guess which one it's going to choose. There's also something called continuous partial attention that's destroying your ability to focus. This is when you're always monitoring multiple streams of information, never fully committing to any one thing. You're watching TV with your laptop open, scrolling through your phone during conversations, listening to podcasts while working. Your brain is perpetually in a state of alertness, scanning for the next thing, never resting, never going deep. Research from Microsoft found that the average human attention span dropped from 12 seconds in 2000 to 8 seconds in 2013. That's less than a goldfish, and it's only gotten worse since then. We're not just easily distracted, we're becoming incapable of sustained attention. But here's what they don't tell you. Your brain isn't permanently damaged. Neuroplasticity means you can rebuild your focus, but it requires deliberate effort. You have to treat your attention like the valuable resource it is. So what can you actually do about this? First, understand that willpower isn't enough. You can't just try harder to focus when your environment is engineered to distract you. You need to redesign your space. Put your phone in another room when you work. Use website blockers. Create friction between you and your distractions. Second, practice attention training. Start with just 5 minutes of focused work without any interruptions. No phone, no tabs, no music with lyrics. Just you and one task. It will feel uncomfortable. That's the point. Gradually increase this time. You're literally rebuilding your ability to concentrate. And third, embrace boredom. Your brain needs downtime to process information and strengthen memories. Stop filling every empty moment with content. Let yourself be bored in line, in waiting rooms, during commutes. This isn't wasted time, it's when your brain does its best work. The truth is, losing your focus isn't a personal failing. It's the predictable result of living in an attention economy where billion-dollar companies profit from your distraction. But understanding this gives you power. You can take back your attention. You can rebuild your focus. It just starts with recognizing that every time you give in to that ping, that notification, that urge to check, you're training your brain to be less capable of the deep, meaningful work that actually matters. Your attention is the most valuable resource you have. It's time to treat it that way.